Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this, and it would almost trace. They asked how you would draw this. They're going to put it on a plaque. There's at least two ways to do it. We're going to do it two different ways. I am going to take that and Control D and rotate it 45 degrees. And then I'm going to take both these and I'm going to weld them. So I have kind of that shape. I'm going to take the shape tool and I'm going to select all the nodes. And then I'm going to hold down the shift key and deselect. So I'm holding down the shift key, which will deselect those four nodes. Go up to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And that's not enough, so let's go 2 inches. That's pretty close. Let's try one more. Whenever you're doing this, you've got to go back up or back out. So those are too big. So maybe that 2 inches was good. I'm not 100% sure. That's pretty much it. I'm a little bit, well, I think that's it. Thankfully, this is a centerable, maybe a centerable item. That's pretty close. Now, the other way to do it, and just as simple, let's take and hit P. Let's Control D to make a duplicate and rotate it 45 degrees. And then instead of doing the other, let's take this one and just round off the corners. You might even have a little bit more control. And then weld it. So let's take it all and weld it. So two ways. Now this way is a little bit more, I think this would actually probably look better on a plaque, but I could have rounded these corners off more or less, so just playing with it. I think either way, you can fine tune it to get what you want. Yeah, see, that's a little different and a little bit, well, that's a pretty cool design too. So maybe the first way might be the best. But anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.